President Trump announced Monday a plan to privatize the NATION and APO's air traffic control system, a move that would remove the job of tracking and guiding airplanes from the purview of the Federal Aviation Administration. And quote, today WE and APO's re-proposing to take American air travel into the future, finally, and quote, Trump said. The NATION and APO's air traffic control system was designed when far fewer people flew, Trump said, calling it and quote, stuck painfully in the past. And quote, he also called the system and quote, ancient, broken, antiquated and quote, and quote, horrible and quote, and said his reforms would make it safer and more reliable. The FAA has worked to upgrade its system, but Trump and other critics say it was taking far too long. And quote, honestly, they didn't and APOs to know what the hell they were doing, and quote, Trump said. And quote, a total waste of money. And quote, privatization of air traffic control is an ideal long supported by most of the commercial airlines. Executives from those companies joined the president at the White House to announce the plan. Guided by legislation that has been proposed in the past by House Transportation Committee Chairman Bill Shuster, a private, non-profit corporation would be created to operate, manage and control ATC nationwide, similar to what Canada does. The FAA would still have some oversight capacity, but a board made up mostly of representatives of the major airlines would govern this corporation. The Air Traffic Controllers and APOs union is generally supportive of the proposal, as they see the current FAA air traffic control system as somewhat inefficient. The Shuster plan would still allow for the controllers to be part of the union. The FAA says it has modernized in recent years by updating its computers and other systems. Administrator Michael Huerta told an industry conference in March that the agency has made and quote, tremendous progress and quote, per the Associated Press. But some groups have been critical of efforts to privatize air traffic control operations, saying it gives the airlines too much control over the system for their own benefit. The group FLYERS and APOs Rights calls it the and quote, creation of an airline-controlled corporate monopoly. And quote, it also says privatizing air traffic control amounts to and quote, handing the airlines, for free, control over a core public asset and providing them nearly unbridled power to extract new fees and increased taxes from passengers. And quote, Trump has been critical in the past of the FAA and air traffic control, saying his personal pilot has complained about how out of date and inefficient the agency is. Trump and APO's plan to privatize air traffic control operations will likely be included in legislation reauthorizing the FAA. The Senate Transportation Committee will discuss the proposal on Wednesday, with Trump and APO's Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao testifying. Chao will again address the issue before the House Transportation Committee on Thursday. This plan is part of Trump and APO's broader infrastructure vision. He may also talk Monday more broadly about what he has called and quote, third world airports and quote, in particular, as he launches what the White House is calling the Presidency and APO's and quote, infrastructure week. And quote, Trump will be in Cincinnati on Wednesday to continue talking about infrastructure, focusing on inland waterways on the Ohio River including aging dams.